All right, I'm the Flat Rate Master, and today, let's see what's going on around the shop. Now, a couple things. I got some comments about why no September going on in the shop. Why was there an October in November? Couple things about that. One, I film on Thursday nights for the most part, either Wednesday or Thursday, and I'm limited to what's in the shop when I film. If there's not a whole lot of interesting stuff going on, it's not gonna be an interesting video. I don't tend to do that. If there's nothing interesting in the shop, it doesn't pay for me to do a video because it's not gonna be interesting for you and it's kind of boring. With that said, let's look around. All right, so Bam Bam has an engine to do on this Acura. It's got bent valves. Putting a used engine in it. Of course, he used the powertrain lift, which there'll be a whole video on that. Pretty awesome if you have one. My bays are empty. I had a 17-hour job on a BMW that I finished today. I also diagnosed a blown head gasket on a Saturn. Put some pictures right here. Diagnosed a bad head gasket on a Dodge Durango with a 4.7. Fixed taillight issues on a Jeep Liberty. And then I was done. So, by the way, somebody gave me hell about our floors. Well, right now our Zamboni, our floor cleaning machine, doesn't work, so we can't clean the floors until we get it fixed. Also, I helped Zach diagnose a noise issue on a RAV4. Really bad bodywork. In the cargo compartment, there was a chunk of sheet metal from the bodywork and just some really bad body work that was making a bunch of noise. So unfortunately, that one goes back to the body shop. So Zach had a good day. He's got this BMW right here with a bunch of coolant leaks. He's fixed it up. He's got to test drive it in the morning. He got done too late to test drive it because of traffic. But he also has an empty bay. Talking about why I don't film. Josh was off today. Nothing here. Now Christian, he works here as a second job. He actually works overnight in IT support. So he had to go to his main job for training on a new company his main company picked up. So he did a few jobs. He had to get out of here early to go do that training. And as you can see, because we had to get the engine lift and the powertrain jack out of the corner, we left his bays a little messy. I'll move it back before I go home tonight. Now Jesse had a good day. He had a nice ticket on a Odyssey van, finished it up earlier today. Had a Nissan with an overheating problem, tracked it down to a bad thermostat, got that done, did a brake job. Over here, he's got a Jeep with 4 mismatched tires and they're complaining about a steering complaint. Feels weird. Guess what? Put tires on it. That's what we got going on in the shop. Hope you liked this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe. Make sure to hit that bell notification to get notified when I put out a new video.